Professional development workshops are invaluable for educators. They provide opportunities to learn new strategies and collaborate with peers. These workshops reinvigorate teachers with fresh perspectives and innovative techniques. Ms. Nilima Rai's workshop at Shaheen International School focused on classroom management. Her session provided practical strategies to empower teachers. Teachers left feeling inspired and equipped with new approaches. They were eager to create a more engaging learning environment. Effective teaching is about creating an environment where students feel comfortable and motivated to learn. Interactive learning transforms the traditional classroom. It shifts the focus to active participation. Ms. Rai emphasized interactive activities to engage students. These include group projects, discussions, and experiments. Interactive learning aids classroom management. Active students are less likely to be disruptive. It fosters deeper understanding and critical thinking. Each student brings a unique set of strengths, challenges, and learning styles to the classroom. Recognizing and respecting these individual differences is crucial for creating an inclusive and effective learning environment. Ms. Rai urged teachers to see their students as individuals, each with their own unique needs and learning styles. She emphasized the importance of differentiated instruction, tailoring teaching methods to meet the specific needs of each student. By acknowledging and celebrating the diversity within their classrooms, teachers can create a more inclusive and supportive learning environment. This approach fosters a sense of belonging and encourages students to embrace their individuality, leading to increased confidence and academic success. By creating a safe and supportive classroom culture, teachers can help students feel valued and respected, fostering a love of learning that extends beyond the classroom walls. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool for shaping behavior and fostering a positive learning environment. Ms. Rai highlighted the importance of recognizing and rewarding positive behaviors, emphasizing that this approach is far more effective than punishment in the long run. She provided practical strategies for implementing positive reinforcement in the classroom, such as verbal praise, public acknowledgement of achievements, and tangible rewards like stickers or small privileges. By focusing on the positive, teachers can create a more encouraging and motivating learning environment. Positive reinforcement goes beyond simply rewarding good behavior. It's about building students' self-esteem and confidence. When students feel good about themselves and their accomplishments, they are more likely to engage in positive behaviors and strive for academic success. This approach fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility in students, encouraging them to become active participants in their own learning journey. A strong teacher-student relationship is the foundation of an effective learning environment. Ms. Rai emphasized the importance of building rapport with students, highlighting that this connection fosters trust, respect, and open communication. She provided teachers with practical strategies for building strong relationships with their students. These included learning students' names, taking an interest in their lives outside of school, and creating opportunities for informal interactions. By demonstrating genuine care and concern for their students, teachers can create a more positive and supportive classroom culture. When students feel connected to their teachers, they are more likely to feel comfortable asking questions, seeking help, and taking academic risks. They are also more likely to be engaged in the learning process and motivated to succeed. Building rapport is about creating a safe and respectful space where students feel seen, heard, and valued. Ms. Nilima Rai's workshop at Shaheen International School provided invaluable insights and practical strategies for creating a positive and effective learning environment. Teachers left the session feeling empowered and equipped with new approaches to enhance their classrooms. The workshop underscored the profound influence teachers have on their students' lives. By embracing interactive learning, respecting individual differences, and utilizing positive reinforcement, teachers can create a space where students feel valued, engaged, and motivated to learn. The strategies shared by Ms. Rai will undoubtedly have a lasting impact on the teachers and students of Shaheen International School. Effective teaching extends far beyond simply imparting knowledge. It's about creating a nurturing and stimulating environment where students can thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. By adopting the techniques shared, Teachers can truly make a difference in the lives of their students, shaping them into confident, capable, and lifelong learners.